Is your skin feeling sensitive this winter? Is the cold air biting at it when you leave the house? Is it feeling reactive and sensitive and a bit sore? If so, here are my top 5 tips for dealing with winter sensitized skin. Number 1 tip for dealing with winter sensitized skin: switch to an oil or cream cleanser, something super nourishing and gentle on the skin, something like super sensitive cleansing cream. If you strip the natural oils from your skin when you cleanse, you are going to leave your skin barrier impaired and increase the chance of sensitivity and redness in the skin. Tip number 1, switch to an oil or cream cleanser. Tip number 2 for winter sensitized skin: look really carefully at the active ingredients you're using. If you're using AHAs, if you're using retinoid, perhaps you want to stop using them or dial it back. Use them less often or use milder doses. So tip number 2 is to look carefully at your active ingredients and perhaps stop using them or reduce how often you use them. Tip number 3 for dealing with winter sensitized skin is go fragrance free. Our Superseed range does not contain any essential oils or any synthetic fragrance. That makes it ultra gentle, ultra nourishing, ultra kind to your skin. Tip number 4 for dealing with winter sensitized skin is look for barrier repairing ingredients. Peptides, for example, in our Superseed serum, are brilliant at repairing your barrier. They help the resilience and the strength of your skin. The good examples are ceramides and natural plant oils like you find in our Superseed facial oil. So look for really nourishing barrier repairing ingredients. Tip number 5 for dealing with winter sensitized skin is to layer up. Think about when you leave the house when it's cold. You put on all your beautiful layers, your underlayers, your jumpers, your winter coats, your hats, your scarves, your gloves. You need to do that with your skincare. So you apply your serum, you apply your oil, and before you leave the house, apply a really beautiful, nourishing cream like Superseed Nutrient Cream to seal that all in and protect your skin against the elements. What you're trying to do is the skincare equivalent of this. Layer up, protect your skin this winter.